Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the LG Refrigerator Air Duct Gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new air duct gasket. The air duct gasket seals up the air duct on the refrigerator door. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's torn or damaged and warm air is leaking in, causing ice to build up, or not enough cold air is getting up to the ice maker to make ice. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the left refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the air duct gasket. There's two of them, one mounted right above the other. They're just mounted in with locking tabs around each edge, but in order to make it easier to get off, we're going to take off this rubber part so we can see the frame underneath. Once you have the rubber part off, we're just going to use the putty knife and press on each center piece and press the locking tab in, and then hold it so it doesn't snap back in. Once you have the first two done, it'll probably just come free. You can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old air duct gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before you put the new gasket on, you want to make sure you clean the vents and the vents in here and the old gasket if you're not changing both of them, to make sure they're clean and you get a good seal. Once you have that clean, you just have to line the new air duct gasket up and snap it into place. Once you have it snapped in, close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.